This is Someone Wakesurfing, and this is the Hyperlite Landlock, my favorite board to help teach others how to wakesurf. Here are 3 reasons why, and a bonus as to why I still enjoy riding this board. First, the design of the board. With the trackpad having these stripes on it, it makes it really easy to tell someone exactly where to put their foot. If they're a regular rider, I usually say something like, put your foot on this white stripe and your back foot on this stripe. Once you're up, you're gonna walk your toes till they're right underneath the tee. Or if they're goofy, I'll tell them walk your toes till they're right underneath the Y. Second, the stability of this board. This is a tank of a board. This board is super stable. With your body in the correct spot, the board pretty much just takes over and starts riding in the wave, which makes it super great for beginners to feel the sweet spot and to start surfing without the rope. If you're getting value from this video, please subscribe. It's free and it helps me help you by allowing me to make more content just for you. And third, the cost. The cost of this board compared to all other wake surf boards, it's relatively inexpensive. With some wake surf boards costing $1,200 plus, this board comes in around $460. And on Amazon, you can look up previous year models and get them for under $400. For beginners, sometimes an expensive or really nice board makes it very difficult to learn how to surf on. Plus, if you have any mishaps like kicking the board into the back of the boat, you just damaged a $1,200 board versus damaging a $460 board. Fourth, bonus reason. This board is just super fun. I personally really enjoy this board and I ride it often. I like getting creative and doing fun and different things on this wake surf board. I'll ride standing forward, which I think is just fun and cool. I'm trying to learn how to ride backwards, but haven't mastered that one yet. It allows for a huge rider size range. I've had small petite women ride this board just fine, and I like surfing with our kids on it, or even having Camille ride on my shoulders while we surf. So this board allows me to enjoy my time on the water and help teach others how to wake surf. Here's how I helped teach one of my friends, Farron, how to wake surf. She was convinced she would not get up, but through perseverance and practice and trying, she was able to get up and wake surf without the rope. Tap or click the screen here. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.